Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm so excited to unbox and review the FACESCANADA Rose Glow Kit, a two-piece makeup combo for women featuring the Rose Gold Strobe Cream in a 30 ml tube and the Rose Ivory All Day Hydra Matte Mini Foundation in a 15 ml size. This kit promises glowing, hydrated skin with a flawless finish, so let's dive in and see if it's worth the hype. First up, the Rose Gold Strobe Cream. It's a 3-in-1 product acting as a primer, highlighter, and moisturizer all at once. I squeezed out a little and wow, the texture is silky smooth with a subtle rose gold shimmer that catches the light beautifully. It's packed with hyaluronic acid and shea butter so it hydrates while giving that dewy glow we all crave. I dabbed it on my cheeks and brow bones and it instantly lit up my face. Not too glittery, just a natural radiance that's perfect for every day or layering under makeup. It blends effortlessly and feels so lightweight, no greasy vibes here. Next, the All Day Hydra Matte Foundation in Rose Ivory. This mini is a 3-in-1 too with foundation, moisturizer, and SPF 30. The shade suits my medium skin tone with warm undertones perfectly. I applied it with a damp sponge and it glides on like a dream. Medium coverage that hides redness and small blemishes without looking cakey. It's oil-free and infused with aloe and vitamin C so it keeps my skin hydrated for hours while staying matte. No shine even after a busy day. The finish is smooth and natural, not heavy at all, and it lasted a solid 8 hours on me with no touch-ups. This combo is a steal for anyone wanting a quick, glowy routine. The strobe cream adds that extra oomph and the foundation ties it all together. Want to see it in action? Stay tuned for my next video where I'll do a full face look with this kit. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think of this FACESCANADA duo or what you want to see next. Thanks for watching. Let's keep glowing together.